Now dear student, we are going to solve question number 6.2, and in this question it is given to you a body of mass 2 kilogram. Clear? First let us try to understand this question. A body of mass 2 kilogram initially at rest, it moves under the action of an applied horizontal force of 7 Newton on a table with coefficient of kinetic friction, this is 0.1. Clear? Now we have to compare or we have to find here values of A, B, C and D. Clear? Now concentrate on a screen. In this question, let's suppose if we draw here a diagram. In this question it is given, let's suppose we have a block. Mass is given to you, this is twice kg. Clear? And it is given initially this block is at rest. Okay, fine. It moves under the action of an horizontal force. This is given to you 7 Newton. Clear? And coefficient of kinetic friction mu k, this one is given to you 0.1. Clear? So now we have to compute work done by the applied force in 10 seconds. Clear? So first, can we calculate here what is kinetic friction acting? Yes. So we can write like this, Fk value, this is equal to mu k times of n. Clear? So coefficient of kinetic friction, this one is 0.1, and normal reaction we can say this is equal to twice g. So from here I can say 0.1. let's suppose I am taking value of g 10 meter per second square. So from here I can say this is value 2 Newton. Clear? So from here you can say, we can write here net force. So net force I can say 7 minus 2, here we have 5 Newton. Clear everyone? Now actually we have to find work done by applied force in 10 seconds. It means first we calculate here acceleration. Clear? So how can we write acceleration of this block? Acceleration is given by net force, that is 5 divided by mass. Mass we can say 2.5 meter per second square. Clear? So can we calculate here, because our objective is what, to find work done. In work done we will find force term and the displacement term. So definitely we can say acceleration is constant. It means I can apply equation of motion. So S equal to, I can say this is 0 plus 1 by 2 AT square. Clear? So 1 by 2 we can say acceleration we can say this is 5 by 2, and we can say t square. T square means we can say 10 seconds. So this is 10 square. Clear? So we can write like this, 5 by 4 into this is 100. I can say this is 25. So this one is 125 Newton. Clear? So we can say displacement of a particle we have 125 Newton. Clear? So now can we calculate here